this. So I get the AKIRA digital setup box. Digital setup box known as set-top box. What they have built in HDVB-T2 tuner, all set for digital TV. And with indoor/outdoor digital viewing with free indoor/outdoor digital antenna and some MediaCorp channels. Some MediaCorp channels. The brands HDVB-T2A1. Okay, let's go on the front one. This they have a HD. That's a USB stuff. Okay, let's start to unboxing. So difficult. So I have to cut this thing. We cut this products. After we go to unboxing. Cereal. Unboxing already. Here's some remote controls. Here's the set-top box. Battery. I'm sorry for things about that. There's the switch button, USB port for recording channels. There's the button. This is channel, plus channel, minus for these channels, volume, OK button, menu. This is very hard. Very hard to do this channel. Here's the back. Then this is the RF in, RF out, coaxial, HDMI, component, AV, dual color AV. That's the switch button. Sucks. I don't know what is this come from. So the last part I going to set a video is called a indoor and outdoor digital TV antenna. This is one of my thing. I get the thing. I got this. This is the indoor and outdoor digital TV antenna. You must connect to the set-top box. And this thing is a set-top box remote control. I wrapped it, but inside have batteries. Here's the AKIRA 32-inch LED TV. Here's my AKIRA set-top box. But eventually I worked very badly. I have just reviewed the unboxing because I paused it and then just unboxing. So I just installed the chicken teeth. That's the I cannot shit. Maybe controls. That's the digital. I think it's the digital TV. This is the antenna for the digital TV. AKIRA 32-inch. So I go into demonstration about the videos about it. Here's my new this 16 gigabytes thumb drive. But eventually I get the thing. I get cut already. This thing. It's just okay. Let's remove out. Okay. Damn it. Okay, let's go see on the back. On the back, I'm going to show you this the RF in, RF out, coaxial, HDMI, AV, 3-color AV, component, switch, and then power cable. This is the buttons. This is the thing you switch off. If you switch off, you see the time there. USB cables and the switch there. Volume. Volume. Left and right is the volume. Up and down is the channels. Menu there. So I'll give you another part 2 video. I'm going to show you inside it. I'm going to introduce to this TV used in the digital TV. Just watching.